Apple's highly awaited AirPods Pro 3 are finally on the horizon, and excitement is soaring across the tech world. After nearly 3 years since the last Pro model, fans and analysts are buzzing with speculation and expectations. Unlike the subtle AirPods 4 update that landed in late 2024, the AirPods Pro 3 is rumored to be a dramatic upgrade, not just in sound quality but in design, high features, health integration, and user personalization. Apple's wireless audio ecosystem is about to get a serious evolution, and it's arriving at a critical time when competitors like Sony, Samsung, and Google are all pushing their own boundaries in premium audio. Why the AirPods Pro 3 is so important. The AirPods Pro 3 doesn't just represent another Apple product cycle. It symbolizes Apple's response to growing pressure from both consumers and rivals, with noise cancellation, smart AI audio, and battery performance becoming key battlegrounds in the wireless earbud space. Apple is expected to set a new benchmark in what premium earbuds should be. The rumors suggest a complete overhaul that includes deeper Siri integration, real-time hearing enhancement, advanced noise control, and a next-generation audio chip. Apple is clearly not just chasing innovation. It's trying to redefine the premium earbud experience for 2025 and beyond. A bold new design direction. One of the most talked about upgrades to the AirPods Pro 3 is its design. Apple is reportedly moving toward a sleeker, more compact form factor that borrows elements from the AirPods 4. Expect a stemless or shortened stem profile that fits more ergonomically in the ear. Rumors suggest the addition of a capacitive touch surface replacing the older force sensor, enabling swipes, taps, and custom gestures for audio controls. Not only will the Pro 3 feel better during extended wear, but it might also be available in new color variants like matte black, space gray, and even midnight blue. A clear attempt to appeal to users who want more personality in their accessories. When will it launch? While Apple has yet to officially announce a launch date, trusted sources and supply chain insiders suggest that mass production of the AirPods Pro 3 is already underway. If Apple sticks to its usual product timeline, we can expect an official launch between mid-October and early November 2025. This timing coincides with Apple's typical fall product releases, just in time for holiday shopping season and possibly alongside the iPhone 17 lineup and Apple Watch Ultra 3. In short, the Pro 3 could be Apple's final major hardware release of 2025. The H3 chip, powering the future at perhaps the most significant technical leap in the AirPods Pro 3, will come from the new H3 chip, which is expected to drastically improve performance. Across the board, early leaks suggest faster pairing, longer battery life, lower latency, and more responsive Siri commands. With AI capabilities built into the chip, the earbuds may adapt their sound profile based on environment, movement, or even what you're listening to. Combined with enhanced Bluetooth support like LA Audio or Bluetooth 5.4, users could see significantly smoother performance when switching between Apple devices or streaming high bitrate audio. Noise cancellation gets smarter. Apple already leads the pack in active noise cancellation ANC, but the AirPods Pro 3 is expected to take it even further. A new smart ANC mode could use machine learning to adapt in real time to your surroundings, automatically adjusting between noise canceling and transparency based on context. Whether you're walking, running, commuting, or working, the addition of a rumored focus mode could block out everything except direct human speech. Ideal for students and office users who need to stay tuned in while avoiding distractions. A health revolution in your Earth's AirPods Pro 3 might not just entertain you. It could monitor and improve your health. Building on what Apple introduced in the AirPods 4, the Pro 3 is expected to offer medical-grade hearing aid functionality. This includes real-time speech enhancement, custom hearing profiles through audiograms, and potential fall detection using built-in motion sensors. By integrating deeply with the Apple Health ecosystem, the AirPods Pro 3 may help users track their hearing over time, detect early signs of hearing loss, and even support accessibility insurance programs, making it more than just a luxury gadget. Real-time translation and Siri 2.0 feature that could blow everything else out of the water is real-time translation, powered by on-device AI and a cloud sensing. Imagine holding a bilingual conversation without needing a translation app. Your AirPods could do it all in real time. This would pair perfectly with the expected debut of Siri 2.0 in iOS 19, which is said to be smarter, faster, more contextual, and capable of working offline. With these capabilities, your AirPods Pro 3 wouldn't just be audio devices, they'd become your real-time global communication tool. Charging case, smarter and stronger. Don't forget the charging case. Apple rarely leaves it untouched. The AirPods Pro 3 charging case may include a Find My Speaker alert, magnetic latch, USB-C port, and possibly stronger water resistance if 7 certified. It's also likely the case will support faster wireless charging and maybe even reverse charging from the iPhone 17 or iPad Pro M5, though this remains speculative. Whatever the case, pun intended, it's likely to become smarter, more durable, and more functional in daily life. Pricing, justified or controversial now. Here's where things heat up. The expected price. Multiple reports suggest the AirPods Pro 3 will cost around $199, making it Apple's most expensive earbuds to date. This $50 jump from the previous model is causing a stir online, with some users accusing Apple of pricing out loyal fans. However, defenders argue that the hearing aid tech, AI smarts, and expanded functionality make it a fair deal. Either way, expect heated discussions once pre-orders go live and long wait lists too. Battery life. Better for all-day use. Battery life is expected to see a meaningful improvement. With the more efficient H3 chip and redesigned internals, users may enjoy up to 7 to 8 hours of continuous use, with the charging case extending total playback time to 30 to 35 hours. Optimizations in power management could also mean better standby time and smarter power saving during idle use. These small changes can have a big impact, especially for frequent travelers and people who use AirPods all day during work. Should you upgrade from AirPods Pro 2? So, is the AirPods Pro 3 worth upgrading to? If you own the original AirPods Pro or skip the second-gen model, this might be the perfect time to upgrade. The design overhaul, new features, and smart integrations make it feel like a brand new product. But even for AirPods Pro 2 users, the enhanced noise cancellation, eye-driven sound personalization, and health tools could justify the move, especially if your current earbuds are aging or showing battery wear. Apple's audio strategy for the future AirPods Pro 3 isn't just a product, it's a statement. Apple is signaling that the future of wearable tech includes AI, health, accessibility, and seamless user experience, from smarter audio tuning to real-time translation and health monitoring. These earbuds are more than accessories, they're part of a larger, interconnected ecosystem. Apple is no longer just competing with audio brands. It's aiming to turn the AirPods Pro 3 into a lifestyle device that merges sound, health, and intelligence. Final thoughts. A new era for AirPods with a fall 2025 release expected. The AirPods Pro 3 are already shaping up to be one of Apple's most important hardware announcements this year. Whether it's the futuristic AI features, the game-changing hearing tech, or simply the sleek new design, it's clear that Apple is making a bold move to stay at the top of the premium audio market. If all the rumors prove true, the Pro 3 could become the new gold standard, not just for Apple fans, but for the entire industry.